Here's something most creators haven't noticed yet. YouTube's search box doesn't just hand you 10 blue links anymore. Type in a real question and it pulls a specific moment out of a specific video and serves it up like an answer. That's the new AI-guided search. And if your videos aren't built for it, you're not in the running. I've been watching this roll out for months, and honestly, it's changing the rules. The old SEO playbook, keyword stuff titles, tag spam, hoping the algorithm picks you up, that game is fading. The new game is being the cleanest, most extractable answer to a real human question. So let's talk about how to actually do that. I'll walk you through what's changed, then give you 4 concrete steps you can apply to your next upload today. First, why this matters. Classic YouTube search matched keywords. You typed best espresso machine, it scanned titles and tags, ranked by watch time and click-through, done. AI search is different. It reads the question, looks at transcripts, chapter titles, descriptions, and tries to find the segment of a video that directly answers what you asked. So if someone types, "How do I clean a Breville Barista Express?" the AI isn't just looking for a video with that title. It's looking for the timestamp inside a video where that answer actually starts. That changes everything about how you should structure metadata. Let's get into it. Step 1. Write question-shaped titles. Not always, your hook still matters and curiosity gaps still work, but for tutorial and how-to content, the title should mirror how a real person would ask the question out loud. Instead of Breville Cleaning 2026, try How to Clean a Breville Barista Express the Right Way. The AI is matching intent, and intent lives in natural phrasing. Use YouTube's own search suggestions as your research tool. Start typing your topic in the search bar and look at what auto-completes. Those are real queries from real people. Pick one and shape your title around it. Step 2. Rewrite the first 3 lines of your description. This is the part the AI weighs most heavily because it's what shows above the fold. Stop opening with "Welcome back to the channel," smash that like button. Open with a 1-sentence summary of what the video answers, then a short list of what the viewer will learn. Think of it like the abstract of a paper. Specific, scannable, and matched to the question your title implies. If your video covers cleaning a Breville, your first line might be, "This walks through the full decale and backflush process for the Breville Barista Express in under 10 minutes. That's the kind of sentence the AI can lift and surface. Step 3. Chapters. This one's huge. Chapters aren't just a navigation nicety anymore, they're answer anchors. The AI uses them to pinpoint which segment of your video answers a given query. So name your chapters like sub-questions. Don't write intro, step 1, step 2. Write why descaling matters, how often to backflush, what cleaning tablets to use. Each chapter title should look like something a viewer would type into the search bar on its own. And keep chapters tight, ideally between 60 seconds and 3 minutes. Long, vague chapters are harder for the AI to extract from. Step 4. Pay attention to your transcript. YouTube auto-generates captions, and the AI reads them. If your audio is muddy or you mumble through key terms, those terms won't make it into the transcript cleanly, and the AI can't surface what it can't read. 2 things help here. 1. Say the key term clearly at the start of each chapter, basically restate the chapter title in your voiceover. 2. After upload, scan the auto-generated transcript and fix obvious errors. You can edit captions directly in YouTube Studio. It takes maybe 10 minutes for a 10-minute video and it can make a real difference. Let me give you a quick before and after. I worked with a creator whose espresso tutorial had a title like Espresso Tips 2025. Generic. Description was a wall of links. No chapters. The video itself was great, but it was buried. We rewrote the title to "How to Pull a Better Espresso Shot at Home." Opened the description with a 1-line summary plus a 5-bullet list of what the video covers. Added 8 chapters, each named like a sub-question: what grind size to start with, how to time your shot, why your espresso tastes sour. And he cleaned up the transcript. Within a few weeks, impressions from search climbed, and more interestingly, he started showing up as the guided answer for several long-tail queries. He didn't change the video. He changed how findable it was. A few honest caveats. AI-guided search is still rolling out, and how it ranks results isn't fully transparent. None of this is a guaranteed traffic boost. What it does is line your content up to compete in the new format instead of being filtered out by it. Think of it as making sure you're eligible, not promised. Also, this doesn't replace good content. If your video doesn't actually answer the question, no amount of metadata polish saves you. Watch time and viewer satisfaction still rule. These steps just make sure the right viewers find you in the first place. So your homework. Pick one video, ideally a tutorial or how-to that's underperforming. Run through these 4 steps. Question-shaped title, scannable description opener, sub-question chapters, clean transcript. Then watch your search impressions over the next 2 to 3 weeks. If this was useful, hit like, subscribe for more practical AI and creator workflow stuff, and drop a comment with your biggest YouTube ranking challenge right now. I read them, and the recurring ones become future videos. See you in the next one.